Welcome back, YouTubers. How y'all doing? We're going to be going ahead and jumping into this fuel pump on the 95 Jeep Cherokee right behind me. Been having low fuel pressure going up, not getting up to the front of the engine. That's what we're going to do here. Decided that there's going to be a fuel pump swap. So we're going to see how bad this tank is and seeing if I really need to replace it or I can get by just cleaning it. So for right now, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to be getting into. Starts up fine, but then it wants to do that. I'm not going to be able to really go much further from here. Yeah. Again, and that smells like. All right, so this is what it's doing. Yeah, it's doing that. This is, again, still could be a fuel thing, but again. All right, so this is what I'm using as tools. Got the light so I can see the hammer. I don't have a punch, so I'm using a flathead screwdriver, and I will be using this over it so it doesn't get clanky. I know people are gonna complain in the comments about using things like that and it creating sparks. Should be fine. Should be fine. And then some zip ties in case I need to move some stuff out the way, or place these over certain hoses so I know exactly what hoses they are. So leave yourself some notes, leave yourself some breadcrumbs. It'll help you out in the long run.
Eventually.
I'll put on the glasses for safety, huh? All right, let's get up underneath here. See what we can see. Okay, so let's get this party started. So I already took this. Let's scoot over so I don't get hit with this stuff. This is going to be designated for the left side, or the passenger side hosing. Let's get this other one. First notch is right here. All right, there we go. That this fuel pump, I finally got it out. It got stuck in there when I took off the lock washer. It just stayed stuck. I moved it. So I would suggest if this ever happens with you, to just go up and down with it, because what's happening is it's created like a seal, and that's probably not a good sign. We're gonna look inside this tank, but that could just be a sign of varnish, all the stickiness, and we definitely don't want that. So we're gonna check that out. All right, so this is the complete sending unit as is. From the looks of that sock, doesn't look that dirty. It is dirty, don't get me wrong, but and we're going to be replacing this rubber hose as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off, and let's see what we got. I'm gonna head down to the parts store and we can install it and get this baby back up and running. So yeah, let's look what it looks, see if we can take a peek inside the tank. Little mechanic trick. Let me know in the comments if any of y'all done this. This is the fuel line I got right up in there, and I got it closed off because I'm going to be stepping away for a little bit, and I don't want any little critters crawling up in there. I'm more likely going to use a rag for this orifice right in there. Make sure that we don't get any stuff laid up in there. And this is the other one right here. That's the other hosing, little finger. Perfect. It's perfect. I've seen people put bolts in there and things like that. I decided to slip them on there so I could protect these lines from anything crawling in. Let me know if y'all have done that. Use the gloves to cap your lines while you walk away and do something else. So All right, so just pulled out the fuel pump, and looky here what we got. We got a cracked hose, and this is a Delphi unit. Oh, what we got, Delphi? It is a Delphi unit, part number FE0351. I might take a chance reinstalling this thing. It wasn't too much trouble to get it out. I really kind of want to see if I just replace this part, if it's going to work. So I might even just try that and see how it goes. But I want to show y'all that sometimes, man, it could be the littlest things. You know what I'm saying? So we are walking to the parts store. I got the fuel pump. We're going to be heading to O'Reilly's. I'll get a little exercise. It's just down the street. No biggie. Get a little cardio while I'm in it. You know how that goes. All right, so let's see what we get. All right, so coming up to O'Reilly's. Definitely trust this store and the parts that are in it. Definitely like it. All right, it's the perks of going to the same parts stores. Yo, shout out O'Reilly's over here off of Staples and Everhart. Yeah, y'all definitely check them out if you're in Corpus Christi, you need parts. Just got hooked up. He had a little piece laying around. It's exactly what I needed. So I'm gonna go slap this thing on with the original pump that I pulled off, and we're gonna go from there. We're gonna clean this thing up. Auto parts store didn't have this. They do, but it's not the parts store I'm at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, and that should be good. We're not gonna worry about that too much because it didn't look that bad. Didn't look all gummed up or anything like that. Stuff's still getting through. Okay, so that's what we're gonna work with, and we'll go from there. We got everything buttoned back up on the fuel pump, and we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Again, all I did was replace the hose that went from the pump to the assembly, praying that the pump is still good. We got everything on there buttoned up, and let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, that's a good sound. Heard it prime up. Heard it prime up again. I believe we fixed it. It's idling over 1,000, like the idle air control should make it do when it's cold. I believe we got it, y'all. Pump was still good. Little freebie fix. Shout out O'Reilly's. Yeah, that's how we do it. Little $3 part. Got this door open. Okay, there we go. So, oh, I got this door open too. I'm trying to go flying. Okay, let's take it for a little test drive. It's good, feels good. I'm gonna call that a win. So yeah, that's how we do it. Everyday street mechanic. We made it. So yeah, it was that little hose. We got a little bit of a mess. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm gonna see what's up. I'm just glad everything was working right. I need to air up the tire, but we should be good to go. All right, y'all take care. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. We're gonna do it next time. All right, much love. Remember, drink water, check your fluids, and we'll see you in the next one.